Welcome back to our program, Ocean Law on Amptv with your golden son, Oluwajiwonlo Olatunde Arubieli from Aladumoro. Ocean Law is a program where you are going to meet our prominent people like King, Oba, government officials, parastatals, community leaders, and so on. Today, eh, we are taking you to our Baba. But before going there, I would like to introduce him to you. Hmm. You want to know him, Abi? Professor Chief Nathaniel Oludayo Adebowale, a PhD in Visual Arts Education, MFA, Master of Fine Arts, and PGD, Postgraduate Diploma in Education, Chief Lecturer in Fine and Applied Arts, a former Deputy Provost at Adeniran Ogunsanya College of Education, now Lagos State University of Education, Dean of SVTE, School of Professional and Technical Education. Also, board member of Lagos State Universal Basic Education, SUBEB. A high traditional chief, Ọ̀tún Máyégún Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́. The Baba Ijo United African Methodist Church Cathedral, UAMC, St. Mary Eleja Ado-odo. A secretary stroke steward, UAMC organization board. The first chairman, Alamuwade celebration, Ado-odo. Baba was born on 25th December 1948 in Ado-odo quarters, Idobarun, Iloro, Idakogun, Idojofin, Ijibe in Ado-odo, Ogun State. Also, the regent of the ruling house, Okoafo, Lagos State. Yes, we are going to our daddy now. À ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá wa. Kí ni wọ́n máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí? We are going to discuss on the issues bordering culture, traditional, and politics in Yoruba land, and what will be the possible solution. Here we go.
I want to first of all welcome this team. Fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí láti fi welcome àwọn oníwèé ìròyìn àti ti aláwòrán amóhùnmáwòrán tí wọ́n wá láti wá béèrè àwọn nǹkan kan. A mọ̀ pé kò sí ẹnìkan ṣo tó lè dágbó ṣe. Èèyàn kan ò dẹ̀ lè jókòó. Gbogbo ọgbọ́n tí ẹ̀ ń wá kiri lójoojúmọ́ fún ìlọsíwájú àṣà àti ohun tó jẹ́ pàtàkì ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lápapọ̀. Èdùmàrè á fi ọ̀nà náà á fi hàn yín. Àwọn tí ẹ dẹ̀ lọ ń bá Elédùmarè á fún wọn ní ọgbọ́n, ìmọ̀ àti òye láti lè máa dá sí ohun tó tọ́ àti tó yẹ. Pàápàá jùlọ, ìmọ̀ ò lópin, ojoojúmọ́ ni. You continue learning every day. My own submission today is just my own belief and the little thing I have acquired within the time of my own living, sojourning on earth. So àwọn nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ pé mo lè sọ lórí ẹ̀ ni àwọn nǹkan tí ó ti jẹ́ ìmọ̀ tí mo ti rí ìrírí àtàwọn ìṣe tí wọ́n ti bá pàdé tó dàbí pé ó ṣe pàtàkì jùlọ láti lè sọ tẹnu olú ẹ̀ fún ìgbéga àṣà, ìṣe àti ẹ̀kọ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe jẹ́ olóyè Aláàfin of Ọ̀yọ́, àti pé nǹkan tó jẹ́ ohun tó jẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tí èmi kọ́ jùlọ, my own discipline is culture. So ibi tẹ́ ẹ wá yìí kò tí ì jìnnà jù sí ibi tó yẹ kí ẹ wá. So kí èmi náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá èmi náà lè sọ ohun tí ó yẹ pàápàá jùlọ nínú àṣà wa. Ìkíní, kò sí ẹni náà láyé tí ó já wá látọ̀run. Nígbà tí wọn bá lè ti já wá látọ̀run, àkàsẹ̀ àṣà ni wọ́n bá wọ ilé ayé yìí. Bí a ṣe ti ń bí ni ká tó bí láti inú oyún, bí ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé a wà lọ́rùn àárọ̀jù, gbogbo nǹkan táwọn ìyá wa ń ṣe táwọn bàbá wa ń ṣe láti ń kọ́ láti inú oyún, kì í dẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan méjì. Ìyẹn ò kì í ṣe ẹ̀sìn bí kò ṣe àṣà. Ó ti wà naturally endowed to every human being that whatever you develop with, whatever you have been nursing, they've been nursing you either while in the womb or this and that you eventually practice when you get to act. So we have to be careful. Culture is different from religion. You can practice your religion and whatever, but the culture is permanent with you. When we are talking of culture, whatever you may be believing as part of your sojourning of life, either the food you eat, the clothes you wear, the design, the method of preparing your food, and so on and so forth, takes its root from the culture. By normal understanding of life, they will say Chinese has its own food. African, they have their own food. American, here and there, and the black. And the method of preparation is equally culture. When you look at it critically, there's nobody that can divorce his own living pattern from his or her own culture. Though it may be inherited, though it may be acquired, like we are doing now. When you go on the street, you find people with mixed culture, particularly the youth ones. Why? The mixture of color as a result of modernization has taken a new dimension entirely. It has taken away some of our own values, cultural values, that we should continue practicing. For example, language. In the modern time, when they speak Yoruba, you will now understand that Yoruba is already misused, bastardized, adulterated. The original of it is no more. Even sometimes when you speak it somewhere, the youth will laugh at you. What are you saying? And those are the things that we still need to go back. And what still? We ban our own culture in the school system. Whereas the logic in the methodology of teaching in natural phenomena is always from the cultural background. Yorùbá sọ, á sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú èdè, á sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú òwe, á sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọgbọ́n. Out of which it is the logical aspect of it that could be used to compose, to write, to construct, and at the same time to express one's feeling about life itself. Because if you don't have a good knowledge of your language that could be used to back up whatever you want to say, either in your foreign language, English or French or this and that, I am telling you, you may not be able to present a better expression. People can understand you, but they will understand you better with logical reasons. And learning with your own language, modern language, it will be so easy. It will be so easy, easier understanding than just now taking the foreign language to learn. We have to start from there. If parents are given the opportunity Please teach your children at home, whether you are illiterate, whether you are this. Kọ́ ọmọdé ń léde èèyàn ń sọ lẹ́tìlẹ̀ wá. Kàn tí ń sọ́gbà, kàn tí ń gbélẹ̀, kàn tí ń sọ sí. Gbogbo ẹ ló lẹ́tọ̀ọ́. Kọ́ ọmọdé nǹkan ọmọ nǹkan tí ń sọ̀rọ̀. Bá àlejò bá wọlé, kàn tí má kìbà. Through that first appearance, we give the complete understanding of life and the way and manner that boy must have been taught, and the respect that that fellow deserves, and the way he or she have been taught on how to respect people and this and that, and accord them what is the normal thing through culture. So that's one in the cultural aspect. You will see that those in the rural area, they have more respect. They respect people than those in the urban area. Why? The culture is already mixed. Take for example Lagos State, which is a cosmopolitan life. I'm sorry to say, the Igbo will present his own culture. The Yoruba will present, Hausa will present. It will be so obvious for you to say, oh, this is an Igbo guy. This is an Hausa man. This is a Yoruba man, by their presentation. And that it goes a long way to influence the politics, to influence the commercial aspect of one's life, and at the same time, the developmental stages of human feelings and social life that are supposed to be established and be practiced and be presented at any given time. I want to invite a little, so as to talk a little bit about Ado-odo, because born and bred, not sure. So I carry that culture, Awori culture of Ado-odo. There is something we have to understand that may have been said or still not understood by people. Ado Kingdom. It has been so long, it's an ancient city. It's a contemporary city to Ife, Oyo, Ilarogun, Ondo, Owo, Benin, and so on and so forth. It has its own value all along with the kings that reign, and they've been reigning with values and with the culture all along. But in the modern day, I will say Kabiyesi, the Agule of Gabi, that reigned in Ado Akako, he meant well for that time. He wanted to modernize and make the town more properly organized, preparing Ado for modernization. But unfortunately, it was abused and people misunderstood his own mission. Why am I saying this? It is an opportunity for me to express it. I've not been hearing about it all about, but from my own experience, while serving in New York, and so on. Kabiyesi Bakako Agunloye wanted to modernize Ado, and in a certain period, in the early 70s to 80s, he assembled elites to join him in ruling that town. Why? He traveled all about Yoruba land. He now discovered that those royal fathers that normally embracing allies, they used to have more progress. Wọ́n ní ìlọsíwájú, wọ́n ní nǹkan tó ń lọ lókè, wọ́n ní nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn mú wọlé. Ó wá rí i pé àsìkò náà tó kóun náà pe àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ọ̀mọ̀wé mọ́ra láti lè wá ṣe àkóso ìlú Adó. Àmọ́ kì í ṣe bó ṣe rò ó ló ṣe bọ́ sí. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lè má tí ì sọrú yìí tí mo ń sọ yìí, bẹ̀tì àǹfààní ńlá ni. Why? Now, we are not given the due respect that are supposed to be given to our fathers in the tradition. Those that normally be in the council of chiefs there usually be Osolo, Aro, Bajomo, Ra, the Ogalus, and some other chiefs, traditional chiefs. Then you always meet them in the council. But when Papa Agunoye established the assemblage of enlightened people, they drop, if not in totality, the value of those traditional chiefs. So instead of continuing with the tradition of Ado and respecting the value and so on, the practice, there was a diminishing answer on the practice of the tradition of Ado, particularly in the area of chieftaincy council. The involvement of the enlightened people now reduce the traditional contribution of those key chiefs and their contributions to the practices, the management, and all other necessary things that could have been well established in the tradition and maintain the practice of Ado-odo and Igbo tradition a little bit relegated. My brothers, my fathers then, instead of them understanding the Kabiyesi that he wants us to contribute, he wants us to woo the industrialist, educationist, government and everything. Meanwhile, we must give the respect to those elders, the high chief people, and the council of the first class council of Obas. That is Aro, Bajomo, Osolo, Ra, and all other traditional people. And those people, they were drawing their salaries from the government. Now those ones cannot go directly to meet the government. Papa now prefer those enlightened ones because they can speak, they can write, and they can woo. But unfortunately, the result turned to sour and turned to political misappropriation of the tradition. Now, you get to Ado. A reasonable fellow will know that politics is one really in Ado. The respect for the traditional council is no more there. The practice almost nothing. The Ibas are not functioning the way it's supposed to be functioning. It's only now that people are now realizing that we have lost something. Let us look for a way to get it back. And how can you get it back? Because years, decades of years have been what? Put aside without even celebrating the traditional festivals. Those that will have given the full knowledge, the way and manner that those things are supposed to be a continuous kind of practice has been reduced and highly bastardized by the two religions, Christian and Muslim religion. Those that are known, established, and given the respect and the secret of each tradition in Ado, there's no more any practice. The quarters are no more there. What you see there now is buildings already turned to PROVOST. It's a sorry case. The respect given to Ado tradition in the lay of the AOCOED traditional council is no more there. In the past years, if not because of the time when they try to either, what can I say, introduce or arranging the Ado to go back to the old style when Osolo was installed, when Aro was not even there. The last one that participated and worked hardly to maintain the tradition that was removed from Ado with the belief of going to education. The fellow, the last chief that served there is Badomo. That was Badomo. Later, Ogadi. All of that, Aro, this, and that, they failed to install them. And the modernization came through politics, education. Everybody is now seeing that, well, I can stand. I can bypass the Olorishas to perform some certain rites. Is it possible? Going to the traditional practices is developmental. You have to follow the method, step from Ogeri to Omawo, from Awawo to Oluwo, from Oluwo to Apena, from Apena to the high school, before you now move to the last council of chiefs. Are we following that in the present dispensation? No. And that's why everybody is now showing his ego. I have right to control this. I have right to control that. I have right to, including some that actually came to Ado to live. They are now claiming the aboriginal right. The Yoruba used to say, Olójú ẹni yóò lè wò ó, pé olójú ẹni tó lè bó, oko àpòrọ̀, etílé, olójú ẹni tó lè bó. You know the meaning of that? Ọmọ onílé original tó mọ òye, tó ní o, tó mọ ìtàn, tó ṣe òun ló lè ró ẹni tó bá dẹ̀ dàgbà jù. Torú epo etílé ni àgbà ti dàgbà kò ní lè lọ sọ́nà jíjìn. Àwọn nǹkan ewé ẹbẹ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tó máa kàn lọ síbi àpàdà. Ìyẹn náà fi ní lójú ẹni tó lágbára ẹ̀ ló lè ṣe. But in the present dispensation, ọmọ Igbo tó wá rẹ̀ tílé ó ti ń ro. By right, let me tell you something. By culture, àwọn nǹkan yẹn ó ní bó ṣe jẹ́. You get to a place, ó lè jẹ́ lágbolé, ó lè jẹ́ inú oko, ó lè jẹ́ níbi kan, ó lè jẹ́ níbi kan. Àwa àsí, kò síbi tá a ti lè rọkàn, kò síbi tá a lè gbẹ́lẹ̀ sí, kò síbi tá a lè kọ́lé sí, kò sí. Láyé ìgbà yẹn ó lójú ibi tó lè kọ́lé sí. Àwọn ibi tó fi ń ṣojúbọ tán lọ ń ṣe ojúbọ yẹn pé káwọn lọ ríra wọn, káwọn kíra wọn, káwọn dẹ̀ fi hàn pé ọmọdé làwọn ló jẹ́ ẹni tó lè ṣe. Ẹ máa roko lọ, ibi tó ti roko lọ, wàá hu ìkòkò tó ti fọ́. Ìkòkò tó ti fọ́, wàá hu. Ó dẹ̀ bèrè pé ta lẹni tó gbin ìkòkò yìí síbẹ̀ àbí ó wá látọ̀run ó wá síbẹ̀. Ṣé kò fi hàn pé àwọn èèyàn kan ti gbé bẹ̀ rí, wọ́n ti lo ibẹ̀ rí? Àwọn wo ni, ìgbà wo ni, ọdún wo ni, ibo ni wọ́n wà, kí lorúkọ wọn? Àní yẹn ládùn mọ́. Àní yẹn mọ́. Àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n máa ń pè ní ojú kòtòkó nìyẹn. Wọ́n á bi ẹ́, wọ́n á ní ibo làwọn tiẹ̀ rì sí. What do you understand by that? People now talk, I would. The whole of Yoruba land ni àwọn ti rí. And what is the meaning of that? Wọ́n ní dọ́tà bá rí bi, ibi ìwọ̀n. What is it? That is the placenta. Igbo náà rí placenta ọmọ sí. Ṣé bíbí náà bí sí? Ilé ibi tí wọ́n gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ wà. Ilé tó jẹ́ ti family. Even kan bí ní north. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ tẹ̀lé ìṣẹ̀ṣe àtúntò tó jẹ́ ẹ̀ kan gbé ibi. Ẹ wá ń sọ ọmọ kan wà lọ́run kò wálé. Báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe wálé? Ṣé ń gbà tẹ ẹ gbé wálé? Ẹ gbé wálé. Let us start from there. Naturally, spiritually. Nígbà tí wọ́n ti gbé wálé, already wọ́n ti ṣe kí nìyẹn? Wọ́n ti register ẹ̀. Ó ti sign. Ó ti ní portion. Pé ọmọ bíi ni. When you go to a higher institution, you have to go to orientation. Abi? After orientation, you register for a course. Generally. Now go to your department to submit. Huh? And that is what the name you will hear throughout your life. I am a graduate of so. Why? O ti fi bí ẹ náà síbẹ̀. O ti kó certificate síbẹ̀. O ti sign everything síbẹ̀. Until tomorrow, when you go and come back, all of you may be alumni of an institution, but each and every one of you belongs to a department. Irú ẹ̀ náà ni tiwa. Certificate, Tinubu, this, that, Igba, Agbon. What are they trying to identify? One try láti mọ̀. One try láti mọ̀. Lóòótọ́ ẹni yìí lọ sí ilé ìwé. Ọmọ ọbẹ̀ ni ọmọ ilé ìwé yẹn ló máa jẹ́. Orúkọ ló máa bí àti ti láéláé. Why don't you insist? It's the same thing. Whoever is going to represent Ado, whoever is going to stand and bear the name, is supposed to have an aboriginal record from that time. And that is whoever is going to be the Olofin must genuinely be the son of the son. That is the only thing I am after. If you don't follow that, and you now choose somebody who has maybe 1/4 or this of that place, you cannot get 100% supply. You can't. You can't. That's why I cannot run away from saying it. Ado is in a serious matter. The matter is all of you. We should all be reasonable enough. What we are doing now may not be the right thing. Why? What Adebowale did with the belief that you make a better landing by taking the allies, àwọn tó kàwé, kakó wọn jọ, káwá sọ wọn di kìíní. Òun náà ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀. A sọ pé ká má mọ tó kàwé. A sọ pé ká má mẹ́rin. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó kàwé yẹn ló ní moral justification and cultural justification to become Olofin? It is so obvious. Now we have a problem. And that problem is centered on money and politics. Whereas what we are looking for is culture. Àbí culture kọ́ là ń wá. Àwa remove culture. A fẹ́ fowó replace ẹ̀. A lè fẹ́ fi politics fi replace ẹ̀. Those things are just transit. Human transit fast. The natural phenomenon will be the cultural value that will remain for life. We must learn from the previous mistake. And we must all come together to realize that that God give us that anointed love. That will paddle the canoe, that will propel the machine of that town to a prosperous life. There's something in politics of Ado things cannot be done overnight. If you want a rosy life, you want an everlasting history, you want a life with merit, then you must be able to take it easy. Let the youth realize this, especially the youth. Let some people take their time to choose the best. Mo mọ̀ pé ibẹ̀ yẹn lẹ́yìn ń wá, but there's no way I can dodge away from that, and that's why I have to quickly. Kò lè yá bẹ́ẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ lè yá bẹ́ẹ̀. I will now provide solution for the future. Tí a bá fẹ́ wípé kí the transition of wípé from one olofi to another go fast, ká dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. I want to suggest and provide solution. How many of our 4 ruling houses ló ti establish organogram, family organogram? We call it 3. Ìdọ́bàrún, Òkèwáyè, Ìgboro, Ìdòsè. Let us agree that Òkèwáyè is now pursuing. Ṣé Ìgboro ti ronú? Ṣé Ìgboro ti ronú láti lọ tètè gbíngín tiwọn? Pé tó bá tiẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀, ká ronú kan eléyìí. Tí láìfì yẹn bá ti fit lọ, á mọ̀ pé eléyìí ló wà kàn. Àá ti ní sílẹ̀. The organogram will be there. Igi yẹn, family igi yẹn wà ń bẹ̀. Lágbájá ló bí, ìgbàlè ló gbé, ìgbé ilé ló bí, eléyìí tọ́sí àti. Àá ti ní sílẹ̀, kì í ṣe ń sìn, láṣẹ lọ ń parọ́, ká sọ̀tàn tí ò yẹ tó ẹ pé a ti ní sílẹ̀. Gbogbo èèyàn ti mọ̀ pé the future ọba àlejò. Bí ò bá tiẹ̀ lè jẹ́ by accident or by certain thing, because development lè dé. A lè fojú sí lára kó jẹ́ àbúrò ẹ̀ tó máa dìde tó máa gbé kiri. Bẹ̀tà ti mọ̀ pé a ti slow down ní ìta ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ ń kó candidate rẹpẹtẹ. Àṣẹ máa ń wá àṣẹ wá ń wá ibi tá a ti ń kó àti rírọ́tì. Ìkan tí ń pò lùtì kejì tí ń pò lùtì kejì. Mọ̀ nǹkan kan dé àbá àwọn aráàta gan ti ìjọba gan ti ẹ̀rọ mú. Just this is a marketplace. Now, the highest bidder. Is that for all of it? No. Advice tí mo give me. Òkèwáyè, wọ́n ti wà ń bẹ̀, wọ́n tọ́kù sí. Ìgboro tó fẹ́ kàn. Ǹjẹ́ wọ́n ti ń làm? Oyún oṣù 9 tó bí tán tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ ra. Kò sẹ́ni tí ò mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ṣo ní gbèsè tí any human being tó jẹ ikú. Kò dẹ̀ sípò tó lè wá ní ayé yìí. Kò lè dìbò kù. Why can't you prepare ourselves? Let's advise them. Let them write their history. Let them have their own book. Lágbájá rèé, lágbájá rèé. Tó bá ti kó lọ́dọ̀ eléyìí, ọ̀dọ̀ bíi ló máa kàn. Láàárín tiwa nìyẹn, family wa ni. Kì í ṣe láàárín ìlú. Ìgbà tá a ti kọ́, ìjọ tá a kọ́, ó ti wà ń bẹ̀. Gbogbo wọn lè kú tán. Kò wá ní sí wàhálà. Ẹni láti rẹ́ kó fẹ́ jẹ́. Wọ́n kàn báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn ìlú mi ti wọ̀ ní. A ní ṣe wàhálà púpọ̀. A dẹ̀ ní náwó òṣì. A ní náwó ìyà. Ìjọba pàápàá ṣe kìnnì. A dẹ̀ fast. Kíákíá a máa lọ. Àwọn ibi tán ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ìrìnjẹ̀bú pèsè ọ̀túnba. Wọ́n ti pèpè ara wọn sílẹ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́ kan láìpẹ́. People don't understand that people should learn. They pick that boy. Wọ́n ní òun ló lórí àwọn ọba. Àbí ọmọ ọba. What is that? What was the meaning of that one to you? Ẹlẹ́yìn kan fi ń ṣe lè. If tomorrow, tí màá bá gbé ẹsẹ̀, kí ẹlẹ́yìn kan fẹ́ ṣe. Wọ́n ti jẹ́ already. Sí ẹ̀yin ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Àwọn náà là ní. Ẹni tó wà ń bẹ̀ ń sìn. Was there at the age of what? Ṣé 18 àbí kí? Not if it. Àbí tọ̀nà. Àbí Àwùjalẹ̀. ọmọ kékeré màmí ti jẹ how many years ó ń lò lórí oyè yìí ṣé o ti lò bí 50 something sí 80 50 because wọ́n ti program ẹ̀ àbí tí wọ́n bá program ẹ̀ ni ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ adóòsì ìdóòsì tó fẹ́ kàn àwọn tí ń pọ́njú àwọn ọmọ náà ti ń sọ pé àwọn náà wà ọmọ òkè wáyé làwọn náà àbí ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ èyí tó ti jẹ kọjá you may not edit that area let anybody challenge you it's plain and honest approach to settling traditional matters kinship and this and that and I'm not saying it alone wípé ó jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́ba ọ̀rọ̀ olóyè in families àwọn tó ń joyè oyè tó ń jẹ ń bẹ̀ kán lọ ṣe wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í ṣe tọbalọ́ba nìkan kán lọ ṣe wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ní ká ti mọ kí ni oyè tí ó fẹ́ kàn mí bí n ṣe fẹ́ ṣe jẹ́ kan ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í ṣe ti ọba nìkan. And another thing tí wọ́n ń suggest now nítorí pé ibi tẹ́yìn lérò ìpẹ́ ti fẹ́ mú mi and I cannot shy away from saying it kò sí ìgà tó wà ládó tí ò ní village tiẹ̀ kò sí kí ló dé tẹ́ẹ̀kú ya ti mọ̀ pé tẹ́lẹ̀ ìbá fẹ́ ti jọba tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ jẹ baálẹ̀ kí ìjọ oyè kẹ́tẹ̀ ẹni tó wá tọrọ lẹ̀ tó wá roko tó wá ṣe ó ti jẹ baálẹ̀ kẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ á compete fún ọba àbí all those things then classification àwọn eléyìí irú oyè wo ni wọ́n lè jẹ àwọn family kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹni tó belong to rural house ló ní right sí stool ọlọ́fin o ó ní àwọn gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀n kan ti mọ àwọn yẹn sílẹ̀ wọ́n ti mọ àwọn yẹn sílẹ̀ oníkàkọ́ á ti ní position pé ó mo mọ̀ ẹ́ pé bóyá tí wọ́n bá sóun balógun sí family yìí o èmi máa jẹ ọmọ lágbájá ló fẹ́ jẹ ọmọ làkájẹ̀bù ló máa jẹ tí wọ́n bá sóun ọlọ́fin síbí o àti mọ̀ pé ẹni yìí bàbá yìí iṣẹ́ kan tó ṣe mọ́ nǹkan kan máa gbá gbọ̀ngbọ̀n ọmọ ẹ̀ yẹn ló tọ́ sí olórí ẹbí wà then how many families ládùn sí náà ní registered olórí ẹbí how many both home and ní oko in those days wọ́n máa ń celebrate ní Adó each quarter tó máa ń celebrate ó dẹ̀ ní nǹkan tí wọ́n ń celebrate tradition wọn then but now what they come home to celebrate is Leya and Christmas and that's all. Ìlú pàápàá ní meeting tó máa ń ṣe ibi tó ń dẹ̀ ti máa ń ṣe ilé ẹgbẹ́ ó tó bí 4 ládó like a town hall ọjà alẹ́ ibì kan wà tó ń kọ́ ilé kan sí ní ọjà alẹ́ ní ọjà mẹ́ta níwájú àwọn fámílì àwọn Sákótó níbi tí bọ́ọ̀ kan ṣe pos àbí nǹkan kan tán gbé inú nìkan sí ibẹ̀ yẹn ilé ìlú ló àwọn ẹbí kan ló ní ìlú máa ń ṣèpàdé ńbẹ̀ lóòrèkóòrè ibì kan wà tó ń pè ní ọjà òsì ní eré àyẹn àwọn traditional quarters ló sọ̀rọ̀ àdìbẹ̀ yẹn ọjà yẹn kẹsàn-kẹsàn náà máa ń nà ọjà òsì ẹni náà máa ń tà ńbẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń ṣèpàdé ńbẹ̀ ibẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ ti jẹ́ wọ́n ti ń jó ijó ẹgbẹ́ tí gbogbo the 4 indigenous quarters we now call odò òsì akọrin bú òkòsì akọrin bú akọrin búra wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n á sọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n á sọ̀kan wọ́n á ti and they are doing it then ṣé irú ìwọ lè lọ lídìí ṣé o lè kọrin yẹn ǹjẹ́ o gbọ́ èdè tí wọ́n ń sọ báwo lè ṣe mọ́ similar thing ó wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ ní ìdómègún bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ó wà ní ìdósàbà bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹ mọ́ra yín ẹ ṣe ẹ mọ̀ gbogbo wọn tó yẹ ká ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n kan èèyàn kan lè kàn déédéé wá pé màmá jọ ọlọ́fin ẹ má mọ̀ ẹ́ gbogbo wọn ti mọ̀ in those there. So in politics Ado ṣìfù ṣìfù akọ̀ǹpọ̀n kan báyìí àwọn kan lè bypass wa díà àjọ wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àjọ sí wọn wọ́n ní gbẹ̀sà òkú fi ọlá wà pẹ́ bí àwọn kan bá ń ṣègbèsà àmàṣàdó bó ń ṣàdó àmàṣègbèsà ṣùgbọ́n ìgbésà ti láwọ́ òkú ìta àti yanjú yẹn wọ́n ti wà ní gédégbé bẹ́ẹ̀ yó bàbá ń tán wàhálà máa tán à ń pariwo títí a máa dárúkọ ọ̀tá wá gbọ́ bí ẹ̀kẹ́ bá máa wọ̀tá wọ́n mọ̀ pé ó ti wọ̀ ní modern town whereas ọ̀tá was behind Ado. I must tell you ìyànà yẹsí ní boundary Ado by our own knowledge tí mi mọ̀ as far back as 1950 ó wà ń bẹ̀ signboard wà ní ìyànà yẹsí yẹn ibẹ̀ l'Ado ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ like in the present day wọn bá máa sọ pé bóyá alákòótì bí wọn bá tẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá la ṣí sọ Èjìgbò náà wọn sọ pé ọ̀tá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbà fún o gbogbo àwa yìí attended the Gawon grammar school ọdún mẹ́fà tó dá mọ́ lò ní gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ Sànwọ̀rí lọ́tà ń sìn àjọ kàwé ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ a sọ̀rọ̀ dé ibi ọ̀tá lẹ́nu ọ̀tá ti kó ọ̀làjú mọ́ra lọ́wọ́ àwọn náà ti fèsì oríṣiríṣi pàápàá jùlọ àwọn operation látẹ̀gbà tó ṣe ń dààmú ọdì sí ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn Sànwọ̀rí àwọn alákìkanjú àwọn tó ti dépò tó wà lọ́tà lẹ́nu ṣàṣà ni àwọn tí kì í ṣe pàjọ lọ sí ilé ìwé. I can mention the Honourable Commissioner Ojukwu Ojolowo Senior Mukandas just late the Salakos the Akibos the Dadas the Ainos the Oyedes gbogbo àwọn yẹn àwọn náà di ọ̀tá múlẹ̀ títí kan nínú àwọn tó tẹ̀ jẹ́ tán di coronet ọba nísìn lọ́tà. And I want to establish something. I want to appreciate and applaud Sheriff what the Ado Mafia in Ota did in 1994, 95, 96. Up to date. I cannot forget the only two of them. I know. Anazan, that person. They came up with blueprints. And I want to tell you, if any town in Ogun today and part of Yorubas, they say they are celebrating their day, Alamuwa Day celebration was the first. I remember in 1970, there was something like celebration in Ado-odo. It was after Alamuwa that everybody now started celebrating Rona Day, Gamade Day, this day and this and that. What else? Ado local content. And we tried our best. So I must remember, and I have to appreciate what those boys did. And the living one now, Kabiru Alabi, lawyer, the retired civil servant, the director in INEC. I appreciate the movement. I appreciate once again that we have not been able to follow it up. Why? The problem of Ado, because we failed to recognize the tradition. We did not follow the idea of assembling allies for power. Ìbá group pẹ́pà pa gbogbo ẹ̀ káwọn ọmọ yẹn máa lọ káwọn ti ìṣẹ̀ṣe mọ́ nǹkan kan fáwọn náà máa lọ wá kó gbogbo ẹ̀pọ̀ bí Ẹ̀gbá ti ṣe kó pọ̀ tí àwọn Ìjẹ̀bú kó pọ̀ bó ṣe yẹ ká ṣe ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó kàwé àwa ń kóra sọ́tọ̀ ààrí late wẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe òun náà ló wà dé ibi tá a dé lẹ́nu. We have more current obas lọ́tà níbòmí káàkiri Adó Agídí Tìpátìkù Tẹjọ́ Tàròyé òun la fi lè ní bíi mẹ́rin ọ̀hún bóyá mẹ́ta tiwa mẹ́ta ọ̀hún bóyá méjì pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ sì a sì ní áwọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. Wọn ò fún wa ní the opportunity given to other kingdoms. Ìyẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ojoojúmọ́ lọ sí court ọlọ́pàá náà ń ṣe tiwọn àwọn tiwa náà ń ṣe tiwọn. And I am continue saying it. By God's grace, you will have up to 12. I was thinking of 22 coronet fún Adó. Fún Adó ti tó bí gbogbo villages tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ló ti dìlú. And by the time you enter all those villages, estate. Look at Lagos. Ọba mélòó wà lẹ́yìn èkó tẹ́lẹ̀. In Ireland, is Ilé-Èkó. Kò sí nǹkan bíi tìbẹ̀jú ti ṣàtàó ti báwo tagbọ̀n ọba ti kú gbogbo obìnrin sí i ó ní kálù á lè ní àǹfààní òun náà ní ìyẹn mo tún sọ. The governor Ogun State and the politicians of Ogun State and then the traditional councils of Obas in Ogun State káwọn náà ronú wọ́n jẹ́ kí coronet wọ̀nyí kó spread. Gbogbo bá ṣe ń sọ yìí when you get to Ṣàgámù ọba tó wà ní Ṣàgámù ó tó 30. Mẹ́rin ọ̀lọ́jọ́ ìyá ń fà á káńsó káńjọ àdé ń ṣe gbogbo kí ní àrùn lórí ẹ̀ and we have landmark. So ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. In politics láti ilẹ̀ ló ti jẹ́ pé you hardly find a true son of Ado-odo becoming any political office holder tó ní meaning tó lè fa nǹkan wá sí láti gbàtà ti dàrú. Bàbá wa Saheed Ọ̀pálẹ̀ he used his own position and he meant well. Ó gbé Agric wá sí Adó. Agric tó gbé wá sí Adó nígbà yẹn sí ó ti di wàhálà lè wà lórí. Gbogbo ilẹ̀ yẹn náà ti gbà and people are not more using it. Àwọn strangers ló ń lò àwọn strangers ló ń lo àwọn ilẹ̀ yẹn sí. Nígbà táwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀ ṣe wọ́n á ṣàjẹ́ wọ́n á ṣàṣe. Tílẹ̀ bá wà tó ń ṣoko tó ń ṣe tán mọ̀. At least 1/4 of those people engaging in that kind of criminal whatever wouldn't have. Ado was known like this. Benue, Ado was the basket full of crops, food for the whole of Ogun in those good. The one who manifest the establishment of Lusada market. Aton, Owode. Àwọn olóòlù ń tajà ń bẹ̀. Crops wọn náà ń kó lọ síbẹ̀. Níbo náà ti ń kó lọ? Ilẹ̀ Adó náà. Ibi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe ilẹ̀ wọn ṣe tí wọ́n tìjọba ní ọ̀rẹ́ tí wíwá. Lágbà Ọlọ́run nígbà tí gbogbo wa bá pariwo bóyá á lè fún wa nínú ilẹ̀ yẹn padà. Now, nígbà tá a ní enough people, those militants, political militants, not thugs, so those that can remind the government through their actions pé wá ẹ ti gbàgbé ìlú yìí ẹ ti gbàgbé ni in those good days ibo ni pride of that area wà. Adó náà ti lọ ń kó kòkó mọ́tò máa tò lọ ni tó máa kún gbogbo èmi ni mo kán gbogbo lọ dé ní wọ́n máa èkùrọ́ á kún kòkó á kún ibo náà ń kó lọ Apapa port for exportation. And people are working. When you get there, you find the Hausas in their thick, hefty bodies working throughout the day, throughout the year. And these products are not coming from anywhere than Ado-odo and Power. But today, the land has been taken over. Even the where people can just have maybe one plot or half a plot to build, if no one there, they will tell you it's government acquisition. Yes, some of us among the airline, they still go behind to do what? To shit the town. Gbogbo àwọn kan yẹn sì lọ. Minerals wà ládò kò ṣe wò yìí. Àti ìtàkùn kan tó yẹ ká tààpù ní àdó. That's why I'm going into the politics. Maybe tó yẹ ká ti rí ọ̀nà wọ politics mọ́ nǹkankan. Tí ọ̀nà tí ò sí yìí, tí a rí ọ̀nà. The shortest way, but I'm sure by God's grace, when we continue thinking and then solving for the next 10 years, something will surely happen. By the way, this time I want to advise the Ado people, they should start thinking of coming here to have something structure. Ilé iṣẹ́ kékeré, like mini industries, macro industries, as well as so. Ká dẹ̀ resuscitate gbogbo àwọn ògbókú wa, bí tá a ti ń ṣe epo pupa, tá a ń ṣe tá a mọ̀ tá a ń ṣe kùrọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n pọ̀ over and Ado ni. Ká resuscitate ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tuntun ṣe. Why? Sooner or later, in 2, 3 or 4 years to this time, àwa náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí rí the life of Niger Delta ní Ado. Already, oil is no more a history. It's no more speculation. Wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wà ní Badagry, Tonkeji Island, bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti Ẹ̀rẹ́. Lọ́gbọ́n, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti Ẹ̀rẹ́ lọ dé Ọ̀sà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ló lọ sọ́nù sí ọ̀nà ìsẹ̀mẹ̀ gbogbo bẹ̀ yẹn ní Èkó. And they have already agreed. Wọ́n ti sign. Ńgbà tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe kó tán ṣe kìíní bẹ̀, ibo lẹ́lẹ́rìí kó fẹ́ jẹ́ resident. Ado ni. Because the cost of building or constructing either whatever there, ó wà cheaper sí ti ọ̀nà Badagry, kò dẹ̀ sáyè mọ́. Inú omi inú rẹ̀ ní gbogbo ẹ̀. Ado náà máa kọjú sí. And at that time, wọ́n fẹ́ ọkọ̀. By God's grace, Mowo to Ado would have been an express. And it will not be that alone. Going to Ere, we just go by ferry. Ferry will be moving from Ere to Lagos, which should be less than 1.5 hours. Yes. So we must start thinking about that. But some people must be able to jeer the government. Nígbà tó bá dé, àwọn ìjọba náà ló fẹ́ jèrè ẹ̀ ju o. Nígbà inú máa bẹ̀ sí débi tó ti kiri sí ìwọ kọ́ ló ní ìkíní. Wọ́n tètè wá bá a ṣe ọ̀nà. Ó ní káàkiri balẹ̀ mọ́ pé Ado is residential. Sọ̀bọ̀ ọ̀bẹ o máa di industry. Gbogbo wọn tá à ń lọ sí Sokoto tẹ́lẹ̀, á wá padà wá sí tiwa. Wàhálà tá a bá ní fẹ́ kó le díẹ̀ nísìnyí. Gbogbo family land tá a ti ń tà láàrin ìlú tí àwọn ọmọ Igbo tí wọ́n ti ń rà, tí wọ́n ti ń tukọ̀. Àbẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Sooner or later, wàhálà ló máa dà o. Irú tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa yìí tẹ́lẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ o. Tí wọ́n á dé pọ̀ mọ́ Igbo àgbàkùtì o. Wọ́n máa gbàkùtì o. Go now látòkè pad lọ́dẹ Ìkọ́ga. Bọ́nà yẹn ṣe bàjẹ́ tó, àwọn Igbo ti kún bẹ̀ o. You can even irọ́ ni bàbá yìí pa. Ọjọ́ Sunday kò drive. Wàá rí àwọn shops kan ti fi ṣe church lọ́lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì. Wọ́n develop ni ẹ̀hún. Wọ́n padà lọ́lé mọ́ o. Wọ́n develop lọ́lé ẹ̀hún. Àwọn family wa tó jégùn, àwọn náà ò lajú bó ṣe tó àti bó ṣe yẹ. Wọ́n kàn ta lẹ̀ lọ just anyhow. Wọ́n ta lọ tó bá yá sí àwọn tìbí ló máa tún ilẹ̀ ẹ̀dá. Àwa dé pé kí ni population náà ẹ̀yin ọmọ nílẹ̀ ẹ̀ ní tó 10%. And the power of card, voters card, òun náà máa lò to máa choose who is going to be our tètè pa. Let us make sure àwọn politician wa tó lọ síbẹ̀ advice tèmi lè fún wọn tá a bá lè ṣe tíjọba lè ṣe sí ìlú yẹn kájọ pariwo. Tá a bá pariwo tí wọ́n bá ṣe kan léyìí tó bá dídọ́ mi kan ṣe mí fún wa díẹ̀díẹ̀ ni o. Eléyìí tó ń ta wá lára jù sí tó lè jẹ́ pé ká lè sọ pé tí anybody bá ṣe fún wa we are ready to support him in totality. Òun lọ́nà o. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe ọ̀nà fún wa tọ́nà ẹ̀ dán tí iná bá fi wà ẹ nídìí láti gbé aago síta pé ẹ̀ ń wá ọmọ tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ o. Ẹ nídìí o. Àwọn èèyàn ṣiṣẹ́ fúnra wọn. Wherever you find the welders in good number electricity wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Lọ wádìí wọn wò wọ́n lè má jọ mọ area yẹn. Ó lè jẹ́ north náà tí ó lè jẹ́ east náà tí wá wọ́n lè náwó ní ọ̀dẹ̀ tí wá. Irú ẹ̀ náà ni Ado. Ado has a very good layout. There's nowhere you live in Ado tó ní drive mọ́tò ẹ̀dẹ̀. Because àwọn àgbàlagbà yẹn wọ́n accept the town planning program. Gbogbo quarters mọ́ kankan náà wọ́n break through wọ́n ṣe ọ̀nà lọ in those days. Wọ́n ṣe tí wọ́n bá rí construct àwọn ọ̀nà ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe. Ado will be a good place for living. Ilẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni erosion la máa kọ́ and that's all. The politicians should think about this. Tí iná bá fi wà tí ọ̀nà wà àwọn èèyàn padà wálé o. Kí dẹ̀ ni the seal fún commerce population lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lẹ́nu nítorí pé population wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kò sí ìmọ̀ tó gbé dẹ́kun tó tà ó. Tí wọ́n bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní Ado tó di pọ́nà wà tí iná wà àwọn tó ń gbé kó wá ṣe kí ni wọ́n á padà wálé wọ́n á dẹ̀ bẹ̀ sí tàkàn wọ́n á bẹ̀ sí ṣe àwọn kan ọ̀rọ̀ ajé Ado á dẹ̀ lọ sókè. Coming to education, Ado is not fair enough. If by this time the now in the 63rd year of independence Ado ti na institution gbogbo schools tí wọ́n ní Lado community effort tí state government wá support. There is no federal intervention in education as far as I'm concerned o. Alamua grammar school àwọn èèyàn wa ló dálẹ̀ o náà kọ́ ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ o move from LA on school o di Alamua and Alamua made name. I remember in 1981 in sports Alamua played the final of secondary school games in the federation and they produced some players I remember Friday Echo and Dimeji Lawa from Alamua Grammar School. They play at the international level. I watched their match in Ashero in Abeokuta when they played against either one secondary school from the Niger Delta area. I was so proud. I was so happy that can anything good come from that area? Players from Lagos usually go to Alamua. Those are the things. Opportunity in there. Only 3 schools established by the community themselves. We can agree that well, St. Stephen and Catholic to the select, but with the support of the people there. Oh, okay. Ado-odo High School, it was by accident. And thank God, the intervention of the people. So, yeah. And that was the time. I think it was during the regime of Onabanjo in Ogun State. There and then, you now established secondary school. Alápòtí wà ńbẹ̀. Ìkan wà lọ́nà Ẹ̀rẹ́, ìkan wà lọ́nà àtà Ọlọ́parun. Àwọn èèyàn sì ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wà ńbẹ̀. Nǹkan tó wá dùn mí nínú ọ̀rọ̀ education ni pé if you don't take care of the grassroots, especially primary school, that is to tell you the vision of secondary school. If you don't take care of the secondary school, it will now telling you what will likely be the life of tertiary institution. Go to schools now. For example, go to St. Stephen. The building beside the main road, the roof has caved in. Openly. The roof is there. Go to Eleja. About 2 or 3 classrooms. Roof now. I passed through Methodist on Sunday. I want to appreciate those people that must have influenced the new construction of classrooms going on now. I am sending my message that I appreciate it too. May God will continue to assist them. We need more. The same thing as I do. When you don't embellish the structural life of education, àwọn ọmọ ò ní nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí. Tí àwọn ọmọ bá ń wo iléèwé tó fà tó ń ṣe, wọ́n á fẹ́ lọ sí skul. Bẹ̀ẹ̀dì iléèwé tó ti tí orí ẹ̀ ti wó tó ti ṣe pé tóun bá ti ràn wọ́n máa máa. So those things we are calling them. Our appealing that kan jọ kan àwọn àlọ́wọ́. We have some other things to do. Look at that Ado-odo. No, there was a time. A ní local government kìíní ẹ̀dàrú and the first republic. A ní lẹ́ẹ̀kejì ẹ̀dàrú. Ọtún dẹ̀ kẹta ẹ̀tún wá dàrú. I mean, we have to think. Are we enjoying anything from the government? The whole of that area, Ado-odo and its environment, ó tóbi o, kò sí hospital. A gbìyànjú fúnra ara wa. A rí pé Akafatu about 10 hectares of land. A ṣe foundation, a ṣe àwọn ilé díẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan nígbà láwọn àlẹ́ àti kìíní. Ibẹ̀ la parí ẹ̀ sí dèní o. Àwọn èèyàn wa wọ́n bá lọ sí Bàdágà lọ sọ́tà tàbí Ìlàró. Uncountable ló máa ti kókó tó délẹ̀. Then private hospitals, mushroom hospitals are now feeding fat on us. So they are now eating. Both the private schools, the hospitals, and some other they have turned Ado-odo Kingdom as ATM for their own defense. They are against my case. Thank you very much. Once more, I'm Professor Adebowale, the Baba Ijo of United African Methodist Church Cathedral, Ado-odo. We call it the regent, the African family of Okwafo. So I thank you for coming, for giving me the opportunity to talk and express my own mind. And I believe that the little I've said could be considered either for political, education, culture, and all this. And by God's grace, I'm praying hard that at the end of the day, God will give us a befitting love that will do that for prosperity. Thank you very much. Once more, Professor Nathaniel from Adebowale, the Otuna for your Empire.
You're highly welcome, sir. Thanks for your time, sir.